we on today. We on today. Alright, so we back for... So, finished up. Came out pretty good, but it's not as shiny as I want it to be. So you see how this part right here, heavy paint. So that means I got to do a heavy coat now so that it comes on thick like that. And so everywhere will be shiny just like that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna shake up the rest of this can, finish up with the gloss, and then we all go. And also these paint cards are for I don't get paint on the tires. So it blocks it and I only paint just the rim. So let's get to it. And now this is what it's supposed to look like. Look at that. Heavy coat, another heavy coat. This is the before. These are just light coats. Heavy coat, light coat. Oh yeah. Big difference. Look at that. That bitch is shining now. See my reflection bit in that thing. Look at that. So this is what the finished product looks like. Very reflective, every angle. Nice. But we gotta paint the insides. Can't forget about that. Alright guys. Look at that. That is beautiful. As soon as I saw that, I got so excited. Now look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. So now that we finished painting the insides, I'm gonna let that dry, flip it over, and do the chrome. My favorite part. At last, we got our moment of truth. So I just took off the tape. As we can see, it's two-tone. Pretty. But if we look closer, we got black marks on the silver, right? So this is just silver, aluminum color. And I knew that would happen because, I forgot what you call that. The tape would get really wet and it would bleed through and mark it black. But it's okay though. That's why we got this. We ain't gonna have silver no more. We're gonna have that chrome. Black and chrome rims. Actually, just look at it from afar. Oh, it's nasty. Alright guys, so I just started packing up, but this is what it looks like. That's the finished chrome. It's gonna be real nice. This one has primer, waiting for it to finish drying. About to put this tire back up over there. But yeah, man, these mosquitoes are killing me, bro. If you in Florida, you already know what these mosquitoes like. They big as shit. Big as shit. But yeah, so real nice. Real nice. Primer, chrome, regular. It's gonna be nice. We back with it again. Just laid on another coat of chrome. Look at that. Real nice. just sanded this one down to make it smooth so I could put on another coat black paint. Same thing with this one. This one just got finished sanding. See how smooth it looks? Now I just gotta put another coat and it'll be good. Coat, just finished sanding it. See this, watch this. Just finished sanding it, smooths it out, makes it come even brighter. And then we just lay on another coat and we good to go. Just peeled back the tape on the chrome. Now I gotta do a final black cover. Final black run through. Look at that. That look real nice. It's gonna look like this once it's done. Take the tape off the middle and the cap. Beautiful, pop out just like that. Oh yeah, we almost done. 2 more tires to go. Oh man, after 3 days and 2 shades darker, we're done. Touch-ups tomorrow, but these look fucking good, man. I decided to show y'all. Obviously, I've been showing y'all the rims. I haven't showed y'all the car, but this is what we got right here. Yeah, we got us a Mustang, but these are stock rims, and I want that black on black. You know what I'm saying? Stinging. You know I'm back with it again. Just did some final touches. One go over. Bruh, these hoes is nasty, man. Look at that. Look at... I know y'all see that. Oh my God. DIY. Why I would never do it again. It wasn't a professional job, simple as that. I mean, you look at it, it's awesome, looks good, driving around looks good, but up close and personal, when you see it, like, oh, there's a little bit of paint here, there's a little bit of that there, there's paint, like, it's not perfect, you know what I'm saying? I didn't have professional paint, professional equipment, so it wasn't a perfect job. It's starting to fade out a little bit. I mean, overall, it was a good experience. I learned it, I did it, you know, got it out the way. It's my first modded car, muscle car, because I mod trucks too. First modded muscle car, Mustang. I mean, it's cool, but not a professional job. So going through the fact, it's fading, right? So now I'm gonna come through with a 6-month update video. So check that out when I post it. But if you wanna see what the rims look like put on, check my video down below. I'm put it in the description. And yeah, man, I mean, good experience. That's all I could really say. But from here on out, I pay a professional to get it done. Iced out, nice, permanent, lasts forever, awesome. But yeah, stay tuned, you'll see.